With the release of Track to Reality BrandX Report 2019-20, a whole lot of stakeholders have called me. They are asking what has gone wrong with Sobha Limited and what has brought Godrej Properties as the new national brand leader. Well, beyond the fact that we evaluate brands on 10 different parameters, during the course of this journey of brand rating, one thing that we have noticed is that there are certain strong fundamentals that make a brand national brand leader of Indian real estate. It may so happen that out of the 10 given parameters, the national brand leader is not really strong on all the given 10 parameters, but one or two strong points make the company national brand leader. For example, when we started rating the brands, DLF Limited, by the virtue of its size, stature, was the national brand leader for the initial 2 years. Then suddenly Sobha came into the picture. Sobha maintained that momentum for the next 5 years. The one region which kept Sobha as national brand leader for 5 consecutive terms was the fact that Sobha's product, through its backward integration model, was seen as the best in the business. Added to the fact, they had a very strong user endorsement. Their image management, media relation was among the best in the industry. We also noticed in the course of this journey that in the past it so happened that out of the 10 given parameters, on a neck and neck fight, Godrej was ahead of Sobha on 6 to 7 parameters. But the rest, 3-4 strong points, made Sobha Limited the national brand leader. What went wrong with Sobha is their fiscal imbalance, their stock prices crashed, and there is certain level of uncertainty as far as the risk-free reputation of the developer is concerned, as far as its execution capability is concerned. On the other hand, in this COVID times, the biggest concern, though it has always been a concern, but today the biggest concern for an average home buyer is whether the developer has a risk-free reputation. This is where Godrej has a very sound track record as of now. In terms of fiscal performance, home buyers are endorsing Godrej more than anybody else. The reasons are very simple. The kind of corporate entity that they have. It is highly unlikely that a buyer will not find it a safe zone to invest its hard-earned money. Godrej Properties, on the basis of its strong fiscal performance, risk-free reputation, ability to deliver in today's uncertain times, looks far more resilient brand. It looks in a far better shape, and that is the reason that out of the 4 zones, East India, North India, West India and South India, they are very strongly placed in the 3 zones. In their stronghold, West Zone, they are number 1 brand. In North India, which is the most uncertain market, they are number 2. They are again among the top players in South India. But overall, in terms of perception, because brand rating is all about consumer perception. In a business where majority of the developers are not even listed and even debt is not on the books in many cases, what matters the most for a brand is how they are perceived by the consumers. Today, what we find is that in our Pan India survey, everybody finds Godrej in a far better shape in terms of its financial performance, in terms of its execution capability, in terms of its delivery potential. And the brand that is a risk-free, has a risk-free reputation, will naturally be in a better shape than many others. In terms of neck and neck comparison, people can argue that on this given parameter, Sobha is still ahead, or on that given parameter, Godrej is far ahead of Sobha. But those are technicalities. The fact of the matter is that a national brand leader is one which has better consumer endorsement than anybody else. And I think this is something where at this moment, Godrej property appears to be far ahead than other competing brands. Thank you.